you're having trouble with your Ego lawnmower, if it's not starting, but it does go forward, like you push this lever and it still travels forward, but it won't start by your typical startup, try moving your handle so that the handle goes up while doing the mechanism up top here, and raise it up. And if it does eventually start the mower part, the blade part, the cutting the grass part, then a good chance there's a kink right here. And one guy thought it was in his bigger wires on another YouTube channel, but I discovered that that wasn't the case for me. This little wire, and I don't know why it would have to do with this one, because I thought this wire went to either this or the speed control. Speed controls, I think, must be controlled with the red, black, green. And so I thought the other lever had to do with the red, black, blue. But just playing around with it, I was able to make the blower or the mower start and stop just by moving the wire. Not these wires, but it was bumping these smaller wires, and that's what made it. So I'm going to go ahead and splice it and see what it does. And then hopefully get this back on the go, making an ego.